Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this validity session of our FTP, which was on novel applications of waste technology systems for sustainable future. It started on 2nd, followed by 5 days, which is 5th day, which is today, 6th August 2021. We have successfully completed all the 14 sessions as per the Atal guidelines, out of which 13 FTPs, 13 sessions were technical based on the title of the program, and one session was Indian knowledge system as per Atal guidelines. And I profusely thank all the participants for joining this FTP and making it a success. I just wanted, even Atal wants to know the feedback of the particular FTP which is being sponsored by them. So we'll just have a feedback session followed by validity by the coordinator, and then we could take up the test. So before that, I'll just brief you up about this session. So first, so about the test would be of 40 minutes, 40 questions, that is MCQs, out of which you have to get 60% as the cutout criteria, which comes down to for 24 questions should be correct out of 40 questions. And the next one is your attendance. It should be above 80%. That is, if you are absent for one day, it's okay. You'll get 80% of attendance. Then the third thing is you have to give a mandatory feedback that is from your participant login. So that feedback would be based on all the sessions. It's like an overall feedback based on the coordinators, based on how it was conducted, based on the speakers, the time, discipline, everything. And at the end, you'd be asked to select two best speakers out of this FTP, which you like suitable, best speaker 1 and best speaker 2. You'll get a drop down menu by which you will be able to do it. And one more thing, Atal takes 3 fields from your participant details. One is your name, the second one is your designation, the third one is your institution or university or organization. So I request all participants, before taking up the test and before giving the feedback, overall feedback through your participant login, kindly check your details by logging in your participant login. On the left hand side, you can see a button which is edit profile. Click on it, a window opens, and there you can find edit button onto your right bottom corner. Click on it and you can edit any field you like, which has to be changed or updated. Okay. Yeah, I request one by one the participants to give oral feedback by switching on their video as well as audio, both.
So I am Professor Prakash Shetty.
Yes, sir.
From MIT. Say, yeah. I had some issue with the video.
Okay.
Yeah. Say, as far as the FTPB is concerned, the FTPB DP was conducted. 5 days FTP was conducted by the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Ramaya Institute of Technology. Was started with the keynote address from Dr. Sadhan Kumar Ghosh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so it is a very nice talk by him. And later on, we had many presenters. And one of the key things what I observed is there is a balance between academicians and industrial people. That is a very nice point I should make. And we also observed some of the presenter. They shared their own experience. Normally, we had the talk by Professor Ramakant. So they have given their own experience, and at this age itself, they are serving the society with the utmost passion. So these persons normally will be the role model for all of us. So we can also start such activities even of our retirement, because retirement, most of the people, we are free. We can look into these particular issues. Now, say environmental pollution, it is one of the important area every Indian should look into, because say if you keep a clean environment for our children, grandchildren, then only they can survive. So for that, we must think about what type of material we have to use, and that material, whether it can be recycled or reused, we have to think about it. It is, it should come from individual. Normally, individual should take into interest in all these particular things. Now, as far as the presentation organizers, if you look into, say, I must thank both the coordinator, Dr. Jyoti Lakshmi and Pradeep Kumar sir.
Thank you, sir.
Say Pradeep Kumar sir is always along with us, controlling the sessions. Normally, it is a tedious job. So here and somewhere we observed the lacks. That is because of, say, certain presenter, they are not able to load or change the slide. These are all inevitable.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So we are very grateful to you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And I must also thank the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Ramaya Institute of Technology, for organizing this. And I must also thank the ASCT for sponsoring this particular program. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for your wonderful feedback. Any other participant who'd like to share his experience with respect to this FTP?
Hello, sir.
I am Obijit Bhattacharya.
Sir,
It was a
one at a
wonderful
time.
program.
Sir, one at a time.
Hello. I am Samir Nimkar from Bharatiya Vidyapeeth Institute of Technology, Navi Mumbai.
Yes, sir. Your voice is feeble. Can you please talk
Now
a
it is
louder?
clear? Now it is
Yeah.
clear?
Now it's clear, sir.
I am Samir Nimkar from Bharatiya Vidyapeeth Institute of Technology, Navi Mumbai. The workshop organized is very good, organized in very good manner. So what we have observed is the practical applications of the various methods, because normally when we are learning theoretically, but here all the speakers, majority of the speakers have implemented it in their practices. And one thing what I have observed is such practices are more in Bangalore. So that is very good. Means even we can also take lessons from this, because in Navi Mumbai we are having a central landfill and a very good system is there. But at localized level, the very good systems which are implemented in Bengaluru and various organizations or people who are participating in such systems have shared their thoughts in this particular session. Was very useful and valuable for our waste management. And again, I thank the organizers and Pradeep Kumar sir for comparing these sessions, and it was very wonderful experience and flawless sessions. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So myself, Dr. V. Sharma.
Sir, one second. Ma'am.
Sameer sir, as far as best practice is concerned, Pune municipality is also doing wonderful job. So last time I visited Pune Municipal Corporation, they are doing wonderful best practices. One of these days you can visit and see their best practices around.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir. Myself, Dr. V. Sharan Raj,
Yes,
lecturer
sir.
in Department, SJ Government Polytechnic. Sir, as far as this novel application of waste technology system for sustainable future, Atal FDP is concerned, it was an excellent platform for us to enhance our knowledge, sir. As far as the topics as concerned, starting from solid waste management, agricultural waste, waste from major industry problems and solutions, especially sugarcane industries. So as well as the biocomposting, as well as what I learned in this FDP is regarding 5R: refuse, reduce, recycle, reuse, and repurpose.
Third one is reuse,
Reuse and repurpose.
then recycle.
So common practice is 5 hours. Now we have reached 10 hours.
So-
Refurbish, repair, rework, all those things.
So in every day we will see the waste. The handling of waste is very important. There is especially a dry waste and a wet waste. So we saw the various eminent speakers spoke about the waste management techniques, and FDP was very well organized. Yes, sir, I would like to thank Jyoti Lakshmi ma'am as well as Pradeep Kumar sir for giving excellent FDP. And I would like to thank the HOD and the staffs of all Ramaya Institute of Technology. Not the least, I would like to thank AICT for giving such a beautiful FDP. And I would like to thanks for your hard work for making this FDP successful, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. Any other participants would like to share?
Sir, good afternoon. I am
Yes, ma'am.
Dr. Uma Maheshwari from Kumaraguru College of Technology, Coimbatore.
Yes,
Sir,
ma'am.
very good organization, sir, that you have done a very excellent work. So
Thank you,
each and
ma'am.
every session is done in a very systematic and organized manner. And all the information related to your FDP you have given clearly in the mail as well as WhatsApp. So it's a very good organization, and the topic is also very good, sir. Very excellent. Not only it is suitable for that mechanical and civil, it is also suitable for all the branches. That is my
Yes, ma'am.
personal
It's
opinion.
interdisciplinary.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very excellent organizing, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Godwin Sharmila V. You're not audible, ma'am. Yeah, any other participant would like to share? Yes, sir.
I am Abhijit Bhattacharya. I have enjoyed this whole program of 5 days, and we have come to know about waste management, mainly urban waste management, from this session. At first, at the beginning, there were researchers who was conducting research in all applicable fields, and some were proven to be economically viable, and some are yet to be proven to be economically viable. At the later part of the program, there were speakers from the industry who suggested practical tips how to implement this. And it was a very enjoyable program and informative, and it's good to hear this. And I thank Ramaya Institute of Technology as well as AICT for conducting this program.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. Dr. Rajkumar, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
My video is visible, sir.
Yes, sir. You're visible, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon to all. It was a wonderful session. And you have covered the industrial waste, agricultural waste, and municipal solid waste, and even the liquid waste, also the sewage. And we are most of the year participants are from the academic background. But today we have really enriched with what is the industry they practicing, what is the recent technology which is being used in the industry. And really that the session was, that is first session, keynote speaker, Sudan Kumar Ghosh, that is from the Jadavpur University. Really it was a wonderful session. He was enlightened on the what is the global, the quantity of solid waste generations. It was around 2017, 92.1 billion, and it will goes to 150 billion in the year 2050. And where we are, India is standing in terms of energy recovery, the treatment is concerned. And still we have only 3% recovery in the energy recovery with respect to the global. If you look at the Korea, like South Korea and the Portugal and USA, it is per capita is 2 kg per capita per day. We are almost 0.5 kg per capita per day. So even then, if you understand the global scenario, we can understand where we are lagging. And it is the population wise also, we are the largest populated country. And the quantity of waste generations, even then, still the handling at especially urban sectors, it is not up to the standards. And even the session was given by the Get Green, the bioenergy. So
Yes, sir.
that it was a wonderful. They have really demonstrated the technology what is they have developed. Each and every that presentation, the way they presented, it was really it was a created a lot of interest to the many participants we have interacted with the session. One more important thing is to look at the spirit of the Dr. Chandrasekhar sir. He shared all this experience. Dr. Chandrasekhar is a professor in Samram Institute.
Yes, sir.
Though he worked in sugar industry, or he worked even in the power industry, thermal power plants, and all these, how the quantity, and he has thrown the challenges to all the youngsters, where you need to concentrate with respect to research is concerned, project is concerned, where is the lagging of the research. That is really thrown some light for us to go ahead further, how we need to take up further. And he has vast experience. That was the wonderful. We cannot get it from any books, only by the eminent speakers like Dr. Chandrasekhar and all, where we can. It is a really worth in attending this session. And one more talk was the really I enjoyed with the another sewage treatment plant. That was the commercial aspect, whatever they were, I forgotten the company name. That is there now, whatever we are teaching, the wastewater treatment, sewage treatment plant, it is a conventional. It is almost absolute. But what is being used in the industry, that is a package treatment for the apartments and other things. Really, how the technology they have made, even the biopipe technology, that even a small package for the apartments and all, how the sewage can be treated and recycled and reused. So really, it was a wonderful session. Another session I enjoyed with the Indian knowledge system. That was the last sessions. Really, it was thrown a lot of more about our Indian knowledge, how we were the Indian systems, so how we are neglecting. Still, where we can look into that. That is really made us more a lot of curiosity as the madam was created with respect to Indian knowledge system. Total overall, it is a mixture of the what is the academician, where we are standing, where the industry is going, and where is the gap, and where India is standing in terms of waste management is concerned. So really, the session, you have really brought a good speakers, and I congratulate both the coordinators, madam and yourself, sir, taken all the steps to arrange the speakers. Really, it was a worth in attending these sessions. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. It means to us a lot. Any other participant who would like to share? Tejas MS, sir.
So good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you doing, sir?
Yeah, I'm fine, sir.
Uh,
Post lunch.
yeah, post lunch.
Yeah.
Sir, I must say, I'm currently working as an assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering at Saptagiri College of Engineering, Bengaluru. I have been following up all the sessions through the 5 days, and I was, in fact, given a very broad spectrum of various areas like waste management, and as just sir was mentioning about the traditions and cultures that we are giving up and the way we have to improvise ourselves. And I was also having a questions regarding, and it was a very informative and a very interactive session as well. So honestly speaking, I would like to be really crisp and short. It was very informative. I look forward for more and more number of events from MSRIT with respect to
Sure.
ATL. And I must thank all the coordinators, participants, and all the speakers who have given a great knowledge. In fact, I have a very limited of experience in the academics, but it's really helping me out with the expansion of my knowledge. So thank you very much, sir. And thank you,
Thank you, sir.
all the very best for your team. And I look forward for more events as such, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, all the participants.
Anupama Singh, ma'am. Anupama Singh, ma'am.
Hello, sir. Can you listen me?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible? Yeah.
Yeah, you can
It
switch
is-
on your video also, ma'am, so that
Oh,
other participants can see you. Yes, ma'am.
It is really very nice FTP program. Actually, I'm just a learner, but I have run my all the research areas since my post graduation till now. After my PhD, I also working in the waste management domains, from the technology to chemical engineering to the management, and also the social aspects which are also being explored in this in the Ramakant sir session. He very nicely tried to correlate all the things which are socially related and which we all the technical peoples used to avoid. And that was very nicely coordinated. And I enjoyed all the sessions, and very thankful to you, especially because you are very updated. And I like this
Thank you,
thing,
ma'am.
and I thankful to ma'am too, because she is also very nicely organized it, because this is not the first FTP I has joined. Before this I also joined one more, but they are not well organized like you. So I should say your very systematical management is very nice, very nice.
Thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Dr. Shilpa. Dr. Shilpa, are you there? Okay. Samit Kumar Singh, can we have you, sir? Dr. Tania Sengupta.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm audible?
Could you please share
sir,
your
there is some
thoughts
issue
about
with
this
the
FTP?
camera actually. There is some issue with my camera.
It's okay, ma'am. You can speak without camera.
Okay, sir. Thanks a lot for giving me the opportunity. I'm Dr. Tania Sengupta Rathore, Mansoor University, and I'm from Department of Life Sciences, an Associate Professor of Biotechnology. Environment is always in my top list for learning and applying too. And I have found this FDP at the last day of registration. I registered in the last day. I was a little bit worried that I will get selected or not. But on 29th, when I get the mail, confirmation, I was very excited to attend it.
Okay.
And during the full event, I learned a lot about the waste management and surely work on it. Thank you for to all the organizers and all the experts. It's a wonderful experience. And I'm thankful to the organizers for conducting such type of events, which not only give us the knowledge to the faculties as a FDP, but it is an important awareness program to be carried by the organizers to about our present scenario and requirement. Thanks a lot. Hope to join such type of events further. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Can I call upon Shobha US, ma'am? Shobha US. Chemistry, Kumaraguru College of Technology, Coimbatore. Yes, sir. Ratnakaran, sir, you can also talk. Ratnakaran, sir.
Yeah. Am I audible, sir?
But your video is off, sir.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Good evening to Varanda. I'm so thankful to the organizers for giving a wonderful opportunity to attend the program.
Thank you, sir.
So, though earlier my PhD scholars got their degree under the same solid state waste management, this time whatever the lectures arranged by MSRIT that helped me to a lot, so that my students, PhD scholars, can take their research progress in another dimension. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to call upon Bimal C. Roy, participant ID 19.
Yes, good afternoon, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon to all of you. First, I would like to thank the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Ramaiah Institute of Technology for organizing such a wonderful session. My observation is that all the sessions were the academics, there was a balance between the academics and the industry. That was very nice. And all the sessions I really enjoyed, and all the sessions were very informative and enriching sessions. So I thank you, all of you, for organizing such a wonderful sessions and FDP. And I also thank Atal Academy for giving such platform where we can enrich our knowledge actually. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. I would like to call upon Veeranna Kiragi, sir. You there, sir?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon to everybody, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, it is a wonderful opportunity for us. Actually, I belongs to BS Polytechnic Bagalkot. Really, it is a very good informative session, sir. We got very good knowledge about all the waste managements from industries, from households, from community and all. So actually, really, I thanks to organizers for to take the pain to conduct this this program, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you. That's all.
Thank you, sir. Any other participant would like to share? Yes, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. So this is Dr. Narayan Gowda.
Switch on your video also, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So good afternoon to everyone.
Good afternoon.
This is Dr. Narayan Gowda from Centurion University of Technology and Management, Odisha. Sir, actually, this FDP was really very nice. All the resource persons were really very good. All the sessions were very much informative and enjoyable. And we know that every day we come across many kind of waste, and waste management of this waste is a very challenge for us, even though in our area, so many wastes are actually found, but it's very difficult to manage them. I would like to thank the organizers for conducting such FDP, as well as to the AICT, that is Atal team, for sponsoring and to conduct such kind of FDPs. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Ushani Krishnan, sir. Are you there, sir? Okay. Any other participants who would like to share their experience?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, good afternoon.
Yes, sir. Dr. Sankar Chakraborty.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
this
sir.
is Sankar Chakraborty,
Can you
sir.
please switch on your video also, sir?
So, sir, I have some network problems. So
It's okay,
that
sir. It's okay.
okay, okay. So thank you, everyone, on the organizing team for their efforts to organize this type of workshop, or that is the faculty development program. And also, I would like to express my appreciation for the excellent program that MSRIT has put together. And also, I want to mention that I have learned there lots of knowledge about the waste technology since I started working here. That attending this program, and all these sessions are very extremely informative. Also, that is the resource person provided is adequate knowledge and also adequate informations about their subjects. And also, lastly, I want to highly recommend that all the participants are all the team members, and thank you once again to all the team members and all the participants.
Thank you, sir. I would like to call upon Dr. Shazia Siddiqui. Are you there, ma'am? Dr. Shazia Siddiqui. Okay. Dr. Dilip Kumar. Are you there, sir? Okay. Any other participant who would like to share their thoughts about this FTP? Any other participants?
Hello. Sir, this is Sumit Sharma from
Yes,
Department of Arya College of Engineering and IT. I just want to say this FTP was very much informative and a balanced sessions between academicians and people from industries also. I gained a lot of knowledge, and I would like to thank all the organizing team for organizing such a wonderful FDP. And I would like to also have one request. So can you please share all the session PDF in a single mail so that we can keep them all the matters safe in a single mail?
So the thing is, all the mails, if we add into one, because if we combine all the PDFs, it will exceed 25 MB. That's the case I have sent separately.
So sir, you can convert.
Yeah, I will try once again. I will try to do it, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
Any other participant would like to share? Dr. Sharanam Basawa, are you there, sir? Okay. MK Pushpa, ma'am, you can speak, ma'am. Your audio is not audible. Hello?
So can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I can hear you.
Actually, the sessions were well organized, and it was very good, very informative. Even though I was in instrumentation department, I joined this course because I'm very much interested to know how waste management is really done in real time, with real problems related to wet waste as well as dry waste. So I got a lot of information from this, all the sessions. All the session speakers were very good, and it was very informative, sir. I congratulate all the team for the best work what they've done. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Any other participant?
Can I speak, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Lakwinder
Okay.
from Manav Rashna International Institute of Research and Studies. And I must congratulate the team for organizing such a wonderful FDP. Actually, my main focus is on waste management. Most of the work is on waste management. Even my PhD is on the waste management, valorization of waste product. And Dr. Gayatri has delivered a talk, and she talked about the temple waste. So that was such a wonderful thing to hear, because I'm working a lot on temple waste. So I got insight to how to go about it, and how actually we manage this waste in much cheaper way. So thank you so much for giving us so much insight and putting us on this FDP. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. If any other participant would like to share, or we shall start the valedictory session. Is there any participant want to share? Yes, sir. Amit Rathod.
Good afternoon to all, and I really congratulations to all the organization team that they have made us a very awareness given to us, and made us very useful information available at one forum. And we go, I'm working in Kirloskar industry, and we got very good knowledge, and there are some legislation that already we have already followed, but this legislation and the information what we got to this waste generation and disposal systems, that is really upgraded to me, and it will help to me and my industry to do more focus and systematic way approach to disposal of this waste. And this is really a very good session, and all the experts are excellent, and they're having a very informative sessions with them. So I really congratulations to all the faculties also, that they have shared their excellent knowledge in this field, and they made us awareness. So thank you all, and thank you organizer team. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. So if no participants are going to share orally, we would like to start the valedictory session. So I request today's program coordinator, who is FDP coordinator, Dr. Jyoti Lakshmi R. Ma'am, who is working as assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, MSRIT, Bengaluru, to speak about and thank all the participants for attending this particular FDP.
Good afternoon. So hope you have enjoyed all the 5 days, different sessions. So we tried covering different angles of waste management and different types of waste management, starting from the basics. And with a keynote address where Sadhan Kumar Ghosh gave us the global scenario of the waste management and the we have also studied types of waste characterization and how the approach for different types of waste differs from place, time, and quantity of waste. So we could, we planned bringing different, resource persons from different aspects of waste management. So I hope you all understand the concepts of waste management now and you try to implement it. So my idea of doing such a program is it should not end today by learning the concepts and appreciating it. So waste management should become a part of our daily life. That is what is my, long time goal or long time perspective. See, a routine, when the waste management becomes a part of the routine, you will never feel that it is, something extra that you are doing. So the waste management starts right away from your kitchen, your work table and your premises. So as such, I think Ramakant sir, as he told, waste management should be a part of our life. See, we find segregation everywhere and anywhere, isn't it? Our life is all about segregating. It starts from morning. So we segregate our white clothes separately, colored coats separately. When it comes to our money, we segregate notes separately, coins separately. When it comes to kitchen, we keep different dabbas for different grocery items like dal dabba, rice dabba and all. So when we are keen on segregating all other things, why not waste? When it comes to waste, we try to put everything together and throw it away. We want to get rid of our waste. So that should not be the scenario. We as the responsible citizens should have civic senses. See, finally, what we do is, we are paying taxes. We are taxpayers and it is the responsibility of ULB to take care of our waste. So that mentality should go away. Our waste, our responsibility. Think before you throw. These are the two slogans based on which we develop sustainability models in waste management. So we tried, exposing you to different types of waste management, how you can start from your household waste management to bigger commitments as institutes and industries. So I hope we will all, whatever we have discussed, deliberated and understood here, we start implementing it in our day-to-day life. Then that is when the concept or the goal behind this FDP will be successful. I hope you all put your hands together in making the waste management a ground reality in Indian scenario. So I expect that from you. That is the best feedback that you give us by attending this FDP. So we tried bringing all the stakeholders of the waste management into one platform that will help each other. So now we have to put our hands together in taking the concepts forward. So any help and any further information or any further support you require, please write back to us. We're always here for your supporting your waste management concepts, projects, and whatever ideas that you want to implement in your institutes and at home. For all the informations we will provide you. So I solicit your support in making the waste management system a reality as it is in Western countries, in India also. So I thank one and all who took their efforts in attending this FDP, and I thank all the resource person who gave in their expertise in the field and shared that with us. So I thank the management of MSRIT for giving us an opportunity, and I profoundly thank ACTE Atal Academy for giving us an opportunity to host this FDP. I thank one and all who are directly or indirectly involved in the organizing of this FDP. Thank you.
Yeah, once again, coming to the vote of thanks, just a formal vote of thanks. First of all, I would like to thank Atal Chairman, Dr. Anil K. Sahasrabudhe, and also Atal Director, R.K. Soni sir, for providing funding support for conducting such an FDP on an online platform. Next, I would like to thank all the management of MSRIT. It is Chairman GEF Dr. M.R. Jairam sir, Vice Chairman GEF and Director Dr. M.R. Sitaram sir. I would like to thank Chief Executive GEF Gokula Education Foundation, Sri B.S. Ram Prasad sir, Chief of Finance GEF Sri G. Ramchandra sir, our Principal Dr. NVR Naidu, Academic Registrar MSRIT Dr. Archana ma'am, then our own HOD Department of Mechanical Engineering Dr. Reggie George, and the FDP Coordinator Dr. Jyoti Lakshmi R ma'am. And apart from management, I also would like to thank all the resource persons who spent their valuable time in providing ideas as well as providing insights into different types of solid waste management. I thank all of them, all the 14 resource persons. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the participants who continuously supported us and cooperated with us, and also attended all the sessions which were scheduled. I thank you once again, all of you. Jai Hind. Thank you. And now, as feedback and validatory session is over, we would like to move on to test. So as I had earlier told you, there will be 40 questions and 40 minutes time would be given to you. The link would be shared in this particular chat box. You can also in WhatsApp. And if you want, I can send it to your email ID also right now. So it will start exactly at 3:05. You'll be given 40 minutes to answer 40 questions. So please note, attendance 80% is compulsory, marks 60% is compulsory, and overall feedback which has to be given in participants login through Atal portal, it is mandatory. Only if you satisfy all these 3 criteria, you will be getting your certificate at the after 2 days of uploading your marks as well as attendance in the Atal portal by the coordinators. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can just chat in the chat box.
Can you say,
We will be answering it. Yeah.
Can you send the test link in email also?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Because many people are not using WhatsApp. Yeah, that's why. That's why I wanted to send it through email also.
Sir, may I know?
The thing is, exactly after 40 minutes, the link would be closed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sir, may I
Any other
know-
doubts?
Sir, may I know whether all the YouTube, that is all the videos, recordings are uploaded in the YouTube, sir?
Sir, all the videos, all the recorded videos of 14 sessions would be properly edited and then uploaded in YouTube through our department channel, Department of Mechanical Engineering, MSRIT. Okay. And after that, the links would be provided of individual as well as the entire FTP would be provided via email to all the participants. And also you can browse through Atal portal to get the links. It's also available on Atal portal.
Sir, please provide the test link, sir, first.
Yes, sir.
So do we have to attempt the test right now, or can we do it after some time?
Ma'am, the test starts exactly at 3:05. I guess now it is 3:04. In a minute it will start, and exactly after 40 minutes, the test will stop. It will automatically close. It will stop accepting responses from the participants. Yeah, good luck. Have a great day. If you have any doubts, you can just WhatsApp here. You can chat here in the chat box.